doing, Alchemist subscribers? Well, we've got Christmas out of the way and we're into the new year. It's time to start doing some more vlogs. So what we're doing today, as you can see, this is my temporary workshop. You know, we are getting a new workshop for some new stuff now for next year. But for now, the bike is in this little outhouse, which is dry. I've tried to insulate it as best I can to keep the cold off the bike. But anyway, it's time to do today's thing, which is installing some more of the brass series, the brass collection, which is the brake pedal. So, what we've got is brass collection brake pedal, all the bump you normally get with it, which is a small one, which I think this fits the Softail as well, but it normally has the adapter kit with the extended forward controls. I think it's the pedal lever assembly you see on the picture, but to install it onto a standard pedal you need to do a little bit of work to get it to fit, i.e. you have to drill through your pedal. So as you can see, you take the pedal, it's got a slot on it, but if you try and put that over there, up against there's a little bit of rock, and underneath we have a rib. I don't know if you can see that there. Let's try and get a bit more light on that. So the rib under there, we have to file a little bit of that off square so the screw will sit flush against it. So that's one of the jobs we've got to do. So the first thing to do is to make a template so you know exactly where your hole is going to be drilled. But what I've just found out is, fortunately, you go back to the box, and in the box on the cardboard, this little piece here is about perfect for there. So we're going to take that off, make a template and drill the hole, put the hole through so it matches the drill hole. Okay. Okay, so we've taken the piece of cardboard, the template, punched through exactly where the hole is going to go, and then we need to attach that to the pedal. Right, so as you can see, I have taped the piece of cardboard template to the pedal with the hole exactly where I want it to be drilled. Okay, so we'll get the drill now and we will drill through the pedal. So we're going to use a 4mm pilot drill first. Okay, so the next step is we'll go through with a 6mm, and that should clear for the retaining bolt. Drilling holes through Harley Davidson's finest. Keep a bit of pressure on the brake pedal as you do. You don't want it to spring back and break your drill bit. Okay, we'll try that for size. Okay, so she's 6.5 is the drill that you need for that. So we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, so now we've got the hole drilled. The other half's been and put the washing machine on behind me now, so we've got a little bit of background noise. Okay, so that's fine, you want it nice and snug. But the problem we've got is, as I mentioned earlier, there's a rib on the back. Got the door open now, might be able to see more. There's the rib on the back there, so that washer isn't going to sit flush when you tighten that up against the pedal, so we're just going to have to shave a little bit of that off. Use a grinder or whatever you've got to hand, but what I'm going to use is my little snap-on tool with a sanding pad. So we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, hopefully that should be enough. Okay, right, so we've got the hole drilled. We've filed off underneath. You see there, just took the flat off it. So I'm just painting that with a little bit of black. So if we try the little bolt now, there's enough for the washer to clear in the back. Okay, and for tightening this up, it's a T27. I think, yeah, T27 Torx. I have these little handy sets, snap on. Can't go wrong with them. Beats the long handle T-bar. You can keep these in your saddlebags or in your jacket, wherever you go, because obviously everything rattles loose on your bike. These are handy to carry around. So what I'm going to do, even though they pre-install and put dry Loctite on the bolt head, see the blue there, I'll always go ahead and put a little extra on there just in case. So that's what we're going to do. There's no torque setting for this, what I call an energy corner tray, FT, fucking tight, without snapping. And let the Loctite do the rest. So, there we go, beautiful. Just a little bit of touching up to do underneath now. Torch on that again so you can see. Black paint around there, but you can see from doing the template we've got it nice and snug. Now you can see the gap at the top there. I've lifted it so the pedal's a little bit higher rather than lower. You're not catching your feet in it all the time, you've got more room to play in. It's whatever you fancy. If you want to put it in the middle, well, that will do me just fine. So now that matches the Brass Collection foot pegs I have installed. And with the theme of my bike. See you in a bit, folks.